keep on watching.
So I'm gonna be using this Anastasia brush. It's number 12, and this Anastasia pomade in medium brown. I'm gonna be doing my brows, so I'm gonna be using the spoolie side and just brushing my hairs upwards. And then I'm just gonna be filling in my brows. I do have a brow tutorial already, so like why explain all the steps again. So if you want a more in-depth type of video how I do my brows, I'll be listing it down below in my description box, so you guys could go press on the link and you guys could go watch that video and you guys could see how I do my brows. So go watch it, guys. Also, excuse my nails. I only have 2 nails, so excuse me. And I'm going to be using this Glamour Flaw in Hard Candy in shade Light. I like to carve out my eyebrows with a light concealer, so this is why I'm using this one right here. I also like to bring it down because I use it as a primer, so when I place my eyeshadow, it like pops because it's like white, it pops out. So I really recommend this concealer. Using a darker concealer. This is the Maybelline Master Concealer in shade 40 medium. And just going to be placing this for the top of my brows and just carving them out. I like to go dark so it matches my foundation. And I'm going to be using this blending brush and just be blending everything together so it doesn't look seamless. I use a smaller brush for the top because, girl, let me tell you, I got no forehead. So yeah. And then I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, the JACLYN Hill one. You guys already know. And just going to be applying that shade right there, which is called Butter. It's a very nice brown shade. I'm going to be using my Morphe E28 brush. And I'm just going to be applying that Butter shade in my eyelids. What you want to do is just keep applying maybe 3 times, so it's a very nice brown shade. Then you just want to go in and blend it with my Morphe 576 brush. You just want to blend everything so it doesn't look all weird and I don't know, messed up, I guess. So I'm going to be using that Morphe E28 and using that shade called Twerk. It's a very nice blue shimmery color. It kind of looks purple on my eyes, but it's really not purple, it's blue. I'm going to be applying tape so I have a very nice cut edge. And I'm going to just be applying that color Twerk on my eyelids. I'm going to just apply it on my eyelids and then blend. So you just want to keep on doing that until you get like a smoky eye type of look. So just keep applying it and blending it. Then I am going to be using this concealer again and just going to be carving out my crease and just cutting it with my Morphe E19 brush. This is a lip brush. I'm done. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte and Bloom palette and I'm going to be using that white shade to set the concealer. It's called Charmer and it smells so good. And I'm going to just be placing it there and trying to make it matte. So I could place another color on there. I'm going to be using that shade. It's like an aqua color. It's called Jada. It's a very nice color. And I'm just going to be placing it in the outer part where I cut the crease and just pack it in. So it's kind of like very pigmented. And then I like to go in with a Morphe M576 brush and just blend everything nice and seamless so it's blended nice and well with Twerk. And I'm gonna go in with that shade, very nice pretty shimmery shade. It's called Pool Party. Yeah, it kind of has a weird name, but it's very nice and pretty. I like to wet my brush when I apply shimmer shades. So I did wet my brush. I mean, it's optional. If you want to wet your brush, I mean, you don't have to. But in my case, I like to go ahead and wet it so it's more pigmented. I mean, the color's already pigmented itself, but I like to wet it, and then I like to go in with my brush and just blend everything together, and it looks nice. Now we're just going to be applying Twerk on the waterline and also Jada, and then we're going to be blending those two shades in together with my Morphe 576 brush. Just take your tape off and clean your face with the wipe, because girl, you're gonna be having stuff fall out. Now I'm gonna be using this NYC concealer and just carving out my brows because I placed my eyeshadow a bit too high. So you know, I want to like carve out my brows, and then I like to blend everything in nicely so it doesn't look all harsh. And this is an extra step. You don't really have to do this, but in my case I like to go in and do that as well, and you know, just blend everything nice, and it'll just look like you never done that before. Now we're gonna go in with my lashes, and I'm just gonna be applying these lashes, and we're all done with our eyes. Now we're going to go in with the face. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer and the NYC Pore Filler. I like to place my pore filler like on my mustache area, my smile line, and my jaw. And then my Infallible Matte Lock Primer in my face. This is my favorite primer. I rave about it all the time. I recommend this primer, and I like to put it all over my face with my hands because I don't feel like putting it with the brush because I feel like it's a difference. So I like to do it with my hands. And I'm going to go in with this foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation in 315 Soft Honey, and just placing it with my Morphe M444 brush. And I'm just going to be placing it all over my face and blending it out, my nose, my cheeks, my forehead, and my neck. Because girl, you don't want your neck and your face to look a different color, so you know you have to apply foundation to your neck and your face. Now we're going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand, and I'm going to be placing this where I need it because I need it. And I'm placing this on my nose, my smile line, my mustache, and under my eyes, and also my forehead. I'm going to be blending this out with my Morphe, not my Morphe blending brush, I wish, my beauty blender, and just be blending this all over my face. And I like to wet my beauty blender so it's easier to just blend everything together. So just wet the beauty blender, guys, so it's easier to blend everything out. I'm going to be going in with my contour kit by Anastasia in that shade called Espresso with my Morphe E34 brush, and just applying it on my cheeks and my forehead, my lip, and my jawline, and just contouring my face with this shade. Then I'm going in with my Fit Me powder in shade 30, and I'm going to just be grabbing that and placing it everywhere where I put concealer. So under my eyes, my forehead, my nose. Also, I'm going to try to fix my contour with this powder and just be applying it everywhere on my face, basically. Then I'm going to be grabbing this small contour brush. This is the Morphe G42 brush, and I'm just going to be using that to contour my nose, because girl, you know I want a snatch nose. And then I'm going to be blending it with the brush and then putting powder so it looks snatch as fuck. And then going in with my Hoola bronzer. Going in with my favorite brush. It's the Morphe E41 brush. Taking all the powder, then going in with my Better Than Sex mascara. Applying my mascara on the top and the bottom. Going in with my Tarte Bloom palette and going in with the color Stunner. Placing it in the brow bone, my forehead, and my inner corner highlight, and the nose, and a little bit on the upper lip. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Aurora palette and going in with those two shades, Luna and Orion. And if I say it wrong, I'll be listing it down below as well, so you guys know what I'm talking about. And just be placing it everywhere, because girl, I've been looking like a shining star. And then I like to blend everything as well, because I don't like to leave it like that, because I feel like it's not blended and everything needs to be blended to my face. And then now I'm going to be applying some primer water, so you know it lasts all day and night. And then using my fan, because you know you don't want any water spots on your face. And well, I'm going to be applying this lip gloss, and it's called Lipalicious. I don't know where I left my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, so I'm very sad about that. So this is why I'm using this one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.